everyone, it's Shari Philomohala here at Graphic 45, and I am thrilled to show you our Merry and Bright album kit and walk you through this delightful tunnel album. I'm going to walk you through all these layered and gorgeous pages. But we would love to hear from you. Do you love this nostalgic vintage look as much as we do? Let's chat in the comments. As we open up the first page, you'll notice each section has that unique tunnel effect, drawing you into the scene like a little Christmas story. You'll love how you see layer after layer, almost like you're peeking through a snow globe. How would you use this style? Maybe for some family photos or recipes. So we've got our first page here, and you can see it's been decorated up beautifully with some of the Ephemera assortment pieces. We're even going to use those journaling cards. And to make things super simple, the great Merry and Bright sticker set. So here on that second page, you can see there's a lot of really great images here as well. Just really framing this large photo mat here. Carla Lavera designed this album for us, and if you know her work, she's always surprising and delighting us. So you can see we've got this gorgeous large photo mat here, and then open this up for a great surprise. We've got a little peekaboo. We've got one of those journaling cards just tucked right in here. This little belly band. You can have that journaling side out. And then over here, we've got another great spot for another large photo or two. We'll just shut that right up and then open up to our next spread. So another great spot using that gorgeous yellow paper. We've got a space for a sentiment here. It'd be great to add a photo strip like photos there. How cute would that be? And over on this side, you've got these ornaments peeking through this little hideaway here. Great spot for a photo there. And of course, you could always add more around the edges. Turning that page, got another spot for your photos. Some more ornaments peeking through, so you can see those are backed and look great on both sides. There's a lot of great dimension there. And then over here, we've got 1, 2, 3 great little photo spots. Another one here, and then this is going to flip up to reveal another little peekaboo. And another great photo mat here. So many great little surprises around each corner. And then here are our last 2 pages. Got another one of those journaling cards. A 4x6 here. So you're also going to have a bunch of extra product that you can use to decorate up any of your leftover spaces or the things that you want to tuck in here. Or of course, you can create some extra projects, tags, and things to go along with all of your holiday gift giving this year. This might just be my very favorite page. We've got this little paper buckle here that's going to undo, and this is going to flip up, giving us this space for a photo or writing in your memories. Flip this one up so you can add 2 more photos there. And this is going to flip this way. So cute. And then we've got another one here. And a nice little Merry Christmas on the back. So how cute is that? And then, of course, we just put our little buckle back in there. And here is our last page. Merry Christmas. And then just tie that up with the ribbon closure so you can enjoy this with your family for years to come. Creating this magical Christmas album couldn't be simpler with the Graphic 45 album kit. So this is what you're going to get when you order this from us at g45papers.com, or you pick it down up at your local retailer. Just open up this bag and you're going to get this Merry and Bright album kit project sheet. That's going to give you all the step-by-step directions on how to recreate that tunnel album I just walked you through. Of course, you're going to need this 2-in-1 tunnel and pyramid chipboard album base. So you're going to use various different pieces from here to create our unique tunnel album. The Photogenic black trim, you get 3 different styles in there and 3 yards of each for a total of 9 yards. This Merry and Bright 12x12 collection pack, you're going to get 2 of each of these gorgeous sheets. You can see there's some great cut aparts, a lot to fussy cut in here. How festive and fun are these papers? And so many great Merry and Bright embellishments. And of course, this great zip top bag to store all your leftover goodies in. The embellishments are going to include the Ephemera assortment, where you get 73 different pieces. The Merry and Bright cardstock stickers, you get 2 different sheets in there. And the Merry and Bright journaling cards, you get both 3x4 and 4x6 pieces. Now you can pick up this kit now on our website at g45papers.com or at your local G45 retailer. You can also become a subscriber on our website, and you'll get our brand new kits sent directly to you in the mail, along with some other great perks, including a 10% off your future Graphic 45 purchases. And you'll learn new fun techniques with us every single time we come out with a new kit and receive new products. Plus, you can cancel anytime. Plus, if you're a card maker, be sure to check out our card kit and card kit subscription as well. Thank you so much for joining me on this Merry and Bright walkthrough. We can't wait to see what you create with your album kit. So go ahead and share your projects with us on Instagram by tagging Graphic45. And if you're looking for more great inspiration like this, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell. Every time we post a new video, you'll get an alert so you know when there's fun, fresh ideas waiting for you. Thank you again for joining us on our paper crafting journey. And as always, happy paper crafting.